This video will take you through setting up your new kit step by step. This will take about 30 minutes. Ready? Let's start with getting your old kit uninstalled. Switch off and unplug the old hub at the socket. Then switch off and unplug the power supply lead on the back of the old hub. Remove the connector cable. This is where the spanner might come in handy. Remove any other cables. Check the packaging your new kit came in for more details on how to return or recycle your old kit. Now that's done, let's install your broadband. For this bit, you'll need the hub, which will look like one of these, hub power supply. You can pause the video now while you get them together. Ready? Take the free end of the blue banded cable and connect it to the hub. Push it firmly into place. Connect the power supply, then plug the power supply into the mains. Connect the other end to the hub, switch on at the mains and at the back of the hub. Your Wi-Fi network will be called something like VM123456. All the details you need to get online are on the bottom of your hub and on the little card. And that's it, you're done. Nice one. Go to virginmedia.com/help for more help and support.